Hi everybody, just wanted to give a great testimonial to Lisa and Ken with Accent America. These guys were just so amazing. My house was a disaster. I had Ken's number in my phone, called him at 3 o'clock in the morning. He told me not to worry about it. He would be there later on in the day. Came out, sucked up all the water, used all their tools, got everything cleaned, helped me contract the people to come in, do the repairs. Then they came back, cleaned all my floors, cleaned all my tiles. My house smells great, it looks great, and I know that they're so meticulous in detail that I don't have to worry about down the road finding a flood or finding water in the walls. I know they took care of it right the first time. So thank you so much, Lisa and Ken. You guys are the best.